Scholar School System London distributed laptops to the students who achieve 100% attendance and 100% pass rate to motivate them. On the mission of education for all, Scholar School System branches are located in major cities like Birmingham, Manchester, Bedford and London. More details in this Saghir Bhatti report.
Scholar School System and UCAP stands for fulfilling the dreams of our students who missed an opportunity in life to study.
With a mission of education for all by creating learning environments where every student can achieve their full potential. Scholar School System London branch took the initiative to distribute laptops to high-achieving students of business management, health and social care who achieve 100% attendance and 100% pass rate across all campuses to empower students to reach full potential by providing necessary resources.
I'm glad to receive this award today.
We're really happy to be here because this school is like excellent.
I'm very happy that I chose this pathway for my future.
CEO Scholar School, Zahid Bhatti, Executive Dean Simon Jones, Nabil Sheikh Director of Admission and Marketing, Head of HR Ashok Kumar, Professor Izendu Ariva Associate Dean, Center Manager Yasir Izaz and Assistant Academic Manager Rubab Jehra told media that Scholar School aim is to foster a culture of excellence and dedication within our community.
It's a distinguished institution. It is distinctive in its own way because of our vision. Our vision, driven by our CEO, is a vision for education for all. We do recognize the potential of different individuals as they progress in life. Most of our students are mature students, and the CEO vision has been to provide opportunities for those who have been deprived of opportunities in higher education.
Recognise and reward that, and not at the end when they graduate, have a certificate and an extra round of applause. But, for example, to give them a laptop now by way of acknowledging their success and something which will sustain their studies into the next stage of their degree course, I think that's a really important thing to do.
Students more of practical scenarios of business subjects rather than like theoretical scenarios more. So that's how they are very helpful in their general life course.
And this is what we are working as a team as well, and providing opportunity and creating opportunities for all our students. As my senior colleagues have mentioned, that we are managing non-traditional students mainly, who are mature students. And these students are coming back to education after a gap of education. They are not traditional learners who are coming back to education by completing their O levels or A levels. They are coming back to education and they have different motivations. They have millions of issues as well. They have childcare issue, they have work commitments, right? But they have made their decision. So we are supporting their decision in order to complete their journey, right? And gaining the qualification they required and make a difference in the community and for their kids as well.
I think it provides a lot of opportunities for the students. We're working with business and management courses and health and social care. We do also provide careers guidance and work placement opportunities. So we help to build a lot of soft skills, as well as them gaining knowledge and understanding about the courses and preparing them for the workforce. So it should help them with their future career aspirations.
Today we are honoring those students who, even after their responsibilities at home, caring for their parents, their children, have achieved 100% submission rate, 100% attendance, which is envious what even young students 18 and 20 don't achieve. So this event is all about their celebration in their student journey and towards the journey of their success.
They further said that the Scholar School System embraces deep intellectual curiosity, creativity, and individuality.
ऐसे एरियाज़ में बर्मिंघम, लंदन, मैनचेस्टर में जो हाउस वाइफ थी या कोई काम नहीं करती थी या सिंगल पेरेंट हैं, ये उनके लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि वो एटलीस्ट फाउंडेशन अगर कर लेते हैं तो वो एलिजिबल हो जाते हैं। बट फाउंडेशन के बाद हम ऑलवेज उनको इनकरेज करते हैं कि अपनी पूरी डिग्री फिनिश करें और वो मूव करें डिग्री को फिनिश करके अच्छी बेटर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ की तरफ। हेल्थ एंड सोशल केयर ना सिर्फ बाहर उनको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है, बल्कि वो लोग जैसे बहुत सारे यहाँ पे घरों में भी केयरर के तौर पे अप्लाई करते हैं, वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं काउंसलर। अगर उनके घर में खुदा न खास्ता कोई ऐसा मसला है तो वो उसके लिए भी जा सकते हैं।